Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Now this video onward we will discuss the further part of similarity. So let's start. Now student, let's solve this sum. In triangle ABC, XY is given parallel to AC. And it is given that 2ax equal to 3bx. xy is given 9 and you are asked to find AC. First of all, we will prove that both the triangles are similar. Now, and in this two sides are given parallel. So, this angle will be congruent to this angle, corresponding angle. This angle will be also congruent to this angle corresponding, and apart from that this is a common one, so any two you can take. So in the first point we can prove that in triangle ABC and triangle XBY, your angle ABC is congruent to angle XBY. I have taken the common angle and one I am taking corresponding angle. So my angle BAC is congruent to angle BXY, corresponding angle, since your XY is parallel to AC. That's why it is corresponding, but this first one is a common angle. So your triangle ABC is similar to triangle XBY by which state, students? A test of similarity. Now once the triangles are similar, their ratios are same. Before proceeding to that, I will take this 2ax equal to 3bx. It is given, students. So this is a given. Now when I transfer bx this side and to that side, my ax upon bx will be equal to 3 by 2. Correct? Now this concept now we will utilize further. How we will utilize? See, once I have proved that triangles are similar, I can take the ratio of corresponding sides. So, according to this one, my AB upon XB will be equals to BC upon BY, which in turn will be equal to AC upon XY. These are my corresponding sides. Now AX, this I have. Okay. Since my AX upon BX I got, it is as 3 by 2. Now on this I'll apply componendo. You know how to apply componendo in ratio proportion you have done. So that in componendo, the numerator get added to the denominator get added to the numerator. So your AX plus BX upon BX will be equals to 3 plus 2 upon 2. Now your AX plus BX together will give you AB. BX I am keeping as it is. So my this ratio is 5 upon 2. Just concentrate this side. This is my one of this ratio only. See. So my all ratios will be equal to 5 by 2 only in this triangle. So this concept we will utilize to find out the value of AC. AC is asked. So I am taking this one These are equal. So my AC upon XY is also equal to 5 by 2. Correct? That is from the previous step only. That is the third one. Now you don't know the AC, but XY is given 9. This is 5 by 2. Cross multiply. Your AC will be 45 by 2. 45 by 2 is how much, students? 22.5. So you got your AC as 22.5. So this way we can apply the concept of similarity. Now student, let's solve this sum. Here two triangles are given with the base QS. Now PQS, in that triangle, QS is the base and PM is the height. Same way, in the lower triangle QRS, QS is the base and NR is the height. Similarity is not given. So we will apply the concept of ratio of area of triangles. You know that whenever triangles are not similar, then ratio of area of triangle will be equal to product of their base and height. So that concept we will apply here. Now see, area of triangle PQS upon area of triangle QRS. In this triangle, QS is the base and PM is the height. Same way, here QS is the base and NR is the height. So what property you have applied, students? What property you have applied? It is the property of ratio of area of triangles. Now area is given. Area of PQS is given 100, while area of QRS is given 110. QS will get cancelled. Now PM is given 10 and you are asked to find NR. When you cross multiply both, what will be your NR, students? Yes, 110 into 10 upon 100. 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. So the remaining part is the 11. So your NR, whatever is asked, is 11 centimeter. Students, thanks for watching this video. Hope you have understood whatever I explained in this video. If you like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you.